building collapse in Indonesia. On December 14, 2021, heavy rain in Padang Sidampuan area, Padang Sidampuan, North Sumatra, causing flooding in many areas, and resulting in an increase in the amount of water in the Eksi Bantar River. As a result, a three-story building located on the banks of the river collapsed. Because the rising river water hit the base of the building until it collapsed.
انهيار مبنى في اندونيسيا في 14 من ديسمبر 2021 هطلت أمطار غزيرة في منطقة بادنغ سيدمبوان شمال سومطرة، مما تسبب في فيضانات في العديد من المناطق.
Tornado in Indonesia. On December 15, 2021, a tornado struck in Indonesia. On December 15, 2021, a tornado struck in the rice fields of Mojosari village, Mojosari, Kepobaru district, Bojonegoro region. At about 1:30 p.m. local time, no homes were reported to be affected, because tornadoes only occur in rice fields.
tornado